Hey guys, today I want to show you how you can export and import password for Google Chrome. First, we doing double click in Google Chrome. Then we look for the three dots on the right hand top. Then put the mouse over password and autofill. Then we go to Google Password Manager. And you see here is the list of the password. So we go to settings and you find the option here. Sometimes if you don't have any password, this option will be not here. Okay, so you need to check if you have any safe password. Okay, so we hit in export password, so say download file, and they're asking for the your local password. Then you have the file. Okay, you can change the name if you want it. You can store it locally, any part that you want. Okay, say open and then save. I want to use you show something. You see the password here. The password here is in clear form. If you do right click and you're trying to edit, for example, in Notepad, you see what happened? Everyone can see your password. Okay, be careful with this file. Once you export it, just delete it. Okay, close. Again, if you want to import a password back to Google Chrome in the new machine or new laptop, double click password autofill, Google Manager, settings, then in then oh now remember guys, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like or leave any comment on the comment box. Okay, okay, continue. Then we say import password, select file, we're looking for the file, we'll put it in the desktop, Chrome, open it, and I recommended this option, delete Chrome password. That's good. Let's see. Now your password has been exported and imported. That's all for today, guys. Oh, remember, the easy way for doing this one is logging with your Gmail account in your Google Chrome. That will be the best option and the easy option. Okay, guys, this is all for today, and I hope so you get better and keep training, man. See you guys. Take care.